Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 1st of February. Last week, we went short the Amazon share price, and we did so on the daily financial bet, and with the idea being that we would stay below the psychological $100 mark, and we did so actually. The share price did come off towards $91.53, but then bounced off the orange line here, which is the 55-day simple moving average, and stopped us out. So this was the first loss trade of the year, but it's not a problem per se, because basically what we're trying to do here is to get the odds in our favor and to trade in the direction of the trend. And when we do get it wrong, as we did here, we have a small loss. And in this case, the loss on Amazon was $5.25. And I just said this is the first loss for the year because the week before, for example, we went long nickel here on this daily financial bet. And as you can see here, this trade has done extremely well so far, rising by about $2,200. If you want to protect your profits on this trade, perhaps if you're long, you could put your take profit order to below the uptrend line and also yesterday's low around the 29,310 mark. What we also would like to look at now is the trade we did at the beginning of the year. We went long the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. And we did so about 200 pips lower than where we're trading at the moment. And this trade has worked out quite well for those who went long for it. And if you aren't long this trade anymore, there's an opportunity to go long now, for example. So what you can do here, and this is the trade of the trend for today, is to go long the Australian dollar versus the US dollar for these technical reasons, because we're breaking above yesterday's hammer formation. And we go long at 70.75 with a stop loss below yesterday's low at 69.83 and an upside target of 72.40, bringing us back to the May and June highs of last year.